What's the meaning of Algeria? Algeria. 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 Algeria.
Algeria is a country located in North Africa. The name Algeria is derived from the city of Algiers, which is the capital of the country. The roots of the word Algiers can be traced back to the Arabic phrase Al-Jazair, which literally means the islands. This is possibly because there were originally several islands located near the city. Today, Algeria is the largest country in Africa and is known for its diverse geography, including the Sahara Desert, as well as its rich history and culture influenced by its Berber, Arab, and French colonial heritage.